I'm going to share a ton of information with you today about how to win reactivation of your ASIN or your entire account when you have an intellectual property right complaint. We're really going to get into the nuts and bolts, so please sit tight, watch the entire video, and then like and share it if you find the information to be valuable. Okay, so Vin Familaro, one of the first paralegals that I hired to help us with this business, a remarkably bright guy, was working on a case. It's our file 02950, and there were IP complaints made by one company against several of our clients, Amazon ASINs. For those of you that are new to selling, an ASIN is a listing is an ASIN. Every product on Amazon has one page in Amazon's gigantic catalog, and this complaint was made against several different ASINs. So the first thing we do is an analysis. Do they have any basis for an intellectual property right complaint? It's also called a rights owner complaint. It could be under trademark law or copyright law, could be under trade dress, design patent, it could be under a utility patent. So the first thing you want to do is an analysis. Did you violate, is there any argument that you violated their IP rights? Whether you did or you did not, your goal as an Amazon seller is the same. Get that complaint off your account. So you reach out to the complainant, and either you did violate and you're going to try and ask them to retract the complaint, or you did not. Let's take the path of you did not violate their IP complaints. You write to them that you only sold genuine products. Here's a copy of the invoice. This is where we sourced it from. If you have pictures, put them right in your email. Reach out to them. Follow it up with phone calls. Then you're going to get a response. And here's a key takeaway. If that response in any way admits that your products are genuine or look genuine, or they confirm the source of the products is a reliable source, you can use that communication and send it over to Amazon with your next plan of action. You can superimpose it into the body of the plan of action. You can attach it as an attachment to your plan of action, but you can use that communication with the brand as number one, your explanation as to why there is no intellectual property right violation, or number two, maybe the brand wrote something back that shows that your products were 100% genuine. Now, when your products are 100% genuine, Amazon's fears of its consumers receiving counterfeit products are going to be allayed, and that could provide the winning argument in your plan of action. Now, there is a ton of information when it comes to intellectual property law, specifically as it pertains to Amazon sellers. So if you want copies of our books, you can go to our website, you can download them for a very small donation to a great charity. This is what you need to know. And also remember all of these tips. Number one, do an analysis. Did you violate anyone's IP rights? Number two, write the grounds for your non-violative sales to the complainant. Number three, use your email to fight Amazon to get reinstated. And number four, use the response you receive from the brand to help you win reactivation of those ASINs.